What's going on? Today I have this tool shelf storage rack wall mount in order to hold power tools, pliers, and this actually holds up to 100 pounds. So I'm gonna unbox this and see what we get inside. Wow, so this looks really good. Powder coat, black powder coat, high quality, and looks very durable. This has holes for pliers and screwdrivers to go through so it can help kind of alleviate some of that storage that's in your toolbox and free it up because toolboxes are expensive. So would you rather buy a new toolbox or somewhere else to store these tools? Make them quick access so you don't actually have to dig through cabinets to find stuff. This is gonna have 6 AC power outlets on this, which is so nice. The cable is going to be right around 6 feet long, which is definitely going to help when finding an outlet to plug into. We have the on-off switch right here, very easy to press, and it is protected with a little bit of a recess. This looks so nice, and you definitely can never have too many outlets, especially when you're in your workshop, tool room, warehouse, garage, wherever you're going to be assembling this. This is going to help make this super versatile, especially if you only have 1, maybe 2 outlets in your whole garage where you're working. We're also going to get all of the mounting hardware. Looks like they're going to give you a little bit of assembling tools, and we're going to have the anchors to anchor this into the wall and the screws. I like how this is black just to match. Keeps everything nice and sleek. That is really nice. I'm definitely going to take one of my power tools here and put this in here to see how this fits. All right, so we got the owner's manual right here. And it comes with a template, which is really nice. So you can just drill holes into the wall wherever you're mounting it and have everything super accurate. This makes it way easier than holding something up and trying to drill and find the right holes, because this thing could be a little bit heavy to hold up and find that. So putting the template on there, it makes this quick and easy. Each one of these shelves is actually gonna hold 30 pounds. And in total, this holds 100 pounds of tools. Really, really nice. These are going to be the end pieces, which just makes this look really good. The black powder coat is making this look sleek, and this unit is going to look absolutely amazing when it's fully assembled. I'm loving this so far. Now I'm going to take one of my power tools and throw it on this rack and see how it fits. All right, I got my impact gun. Throwing that on, and yep, that looks absolutely amazing. This bottom one actually holds 40 pounds. There's 4 different slots to put these drills in, so you could actually put 2 on each. So you could put 1 here and 1 here, so you can hold even more. And they have a nice lip on the end, so it's not gonna fall off and you're gonna keep it in place. Easy to grab, but overall, this kit looks amazing, looks very high quality, and I can't wait to put it up. Highly recommend this kit. Go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.